So this is the beginning. You can see a website name, so I decided to put Nakoi as the name. So here we can also see enable user login sign up, which means if you want your app users to sign up before they can use our website, you enable. But this is practical, so just leave it as disabled. Then here you can see select website type. So here we have many of them. You can see you have many: land page, online store website, bulk SMS website, logistic, online school website, business website, many of them. So those ones that are not bold, so they are yet to become. So now I'm going to let's work on business. Let's take online store website for our example. So we'll work on online store websites. So if you choose this, if you choose any website you choose, you won't be able to change it again. So let's choose online store website. So click on OK. The mobile number here, you change it to your mobile number, but make sure you started with +234, which is just put 234 before your number. Exactly. You can see here this button text here, you can see buy now. So this buy now, if you check some other online store, you see where it says buy now or cart. So this buy now simply means if you click on it, if any product you put on you upload on your website, so this buy now will be below it. So if your customer click on buy now, it's either it take your customers to another page to buy, to make order, or it take them to carts. So if you don't want this buy now, you can easily change it to any other one. And this automated button, if you leave the automated button, so that buy now or whatever you type will be there. Or if you choose take user to WhatsApp, immediately your WhatsApp click on that buy now or whatever you name it, it will take your user to WhatsApp to make that order. So I'm going to leave it at automated button. So click on updated. Okay. So this our portal. These are the settings we have to make. We have to make all those. So let's quickly check how our website is going to look like. So those are the examples I've made before. So I made a mistake, so I have to cancel those ones. So now this is the one we're using. So let's view how our website is going to work. So this is our website link. I'm going to input right now. Here is our website link. You can see right here. So because to our website, you can see this is Nakoi. So this is our website. You can see it on mobile. This is our website. You can see here it says products, no image. You can see all those ones about us, good customer service, quality, save, and others. So our mission, our advantages, fast questions, contact us. So this contact us here, if your user can message you through this contact us by filling those details here, input the message. Immediately your user click on contact us, the message will reflect on your cPanel, which is your website manager panel, and it also reflects on your email. So if assuming let's say a user message me now with this on this platform, so you can see contact us where you say now Nakoi1234 at gmail.com. So that is where the message will reflect. That is where it will reflect. So I made a mistake here, so it's not supposed to be Nakoi 8, it's supposed to be Nakoi 5. So this is the 8, this is the old one. Let me log into the new one. Five. Okay. So this is the new one I created. So you can see my 12345 and that mobile number. So you have to erase it there and change it to your own. Kindly provide your address. So you have to provide address, your opening time and closing hours. You provide it. So let's go back to one more thing. You can see home page, about us, product, blog, fax, my cards, which I told you earlier. So you can see product, this product, then blog. So this blog, most people normally use it for advertising others people product on their platform. So I'll show you how to add that and also show you how to add these fast questions. So let's go back to our cPanel. So we can make those settings according. So now I'm not going to take all these steps, but I will enlighten you. I will show everybody how you can do this. So provide unique details about your website. You set that, you click on it and you set it. So delete simple product and add yours. So do that. You fill all those information. It's not a must, you can finish it now. So you just be doing it whenever you are less busy. So okay, about us. This about us there, this is it. If you wanted to set about us, you can see select section. So about us, our mission, which we see earlier. So you have to click on them and set it. So about us, this is the one that is there, the present one in our website, which is where is it? Okay, about us, which is this one. You can see it, our advantages. So if you wanted to change all those ones, you come here, you erase this and you put the new one and put your logo or image rather. You click on save. So same with others as this one. The way you say this about us, that's also how you say the rest. Okay, but mind you, make sure immediately you save, immediately you input everything, make sure you save so that it won't disable. So fast questions. So these fast questions is basically when you have an order and somebody from Ibadan want to order. Let's say this website now is a bookshop and somebody from Ibadan just want to buy your book. So how is that book going to, how will that book reach that person? So this facts, and the person want to know, okay, maybe this platform I wanted to buy this particular book from, maybe they offer delivery or they don't offer delivery. So if you offer delivery, you just click on this facts, this positive here, you click on the positive, you put delivery, you offer delivery, or let me just say, okay, do you offer delivery? Here where it answer, you put yes, you offer delivery, or yes rather. So whatever questions you think your user may ask, so you can put it here and put the answers instead of them messaging you blah 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 like that. So you can add as many as possible facts you need to add. You can add thousands of them. So products as a online website, store website, so it's always made for products. So you can see the product here, it say please delete me, all is just please delete me. So you can delete them if you want to, and if you don't want, okay, let me show you. So you can see no image, so you can edit it or you can delete it. If you wanted to delete it, you click on those negative, those one that shows red, click on it, it will disable. You can see it. So click on yes, delete this item, so it will automatically delete, so it will mean to. And if you wanted to add, you click on this positive here, you put the title, the price, blah blah blah, and the content. So here where it say, you can say click here to learn how to use this button. So if you want to learn how to create and use this particular page now very well, you click on that here so that you can learn it. And if you also want to create categories for your product, you click on that here that has red color, you click on it, so you create the categories. So if you wanted, like, you input text here with your content, you input your content and you wanted to edit it, to space it and give it other editing, so you click the red button below it, which is click here to install rich text editor to design and format text. So with that, if you install it, you will be able to format content. And you add image, click on your browser to add image. So you click on your browser, it will bring out images, so you click on it and you click on save. If you want to be the landscape photo, you choose it. If you want it to be the other one, portrait, you choose it. So that's all about adding products. You can add as many as possible products you wanted to add. So slide photos. So this slide photo is two, which is let me show you the slide photo we have. So this is our slide photo, this one and the other one. So if you don't need it, you can see it here also. This is the first one, while this is second one. If you don't need it, you delete it. So that the slide photo work. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. And if you want to add, click on this positive sign, you put the headings, which is optional, so the text color, blah blah blah, and the image, put it to save. So you're done with that. You can add as many side photo you wanted to add, you can add it to it. So this blog, as I told you earlier, others people use it to advertise business. Meanwhile, you can still add advertisement page to your website, which is that one is below your website. Lately your users or anybody just search for your website and the person is viewing your website, there will be a pop-up hits that will be coming out. So with that one, you as a website owner, you can make money from that one, because if somebody asks you to run it for him or her, so you collect money for that. So you post the hits on your you post the ads on your website. So I will show you guys how to make that also. So this blog, if you have a news, you can put it there, click on this positive sign also, so you can see heading, content and the image, so you put it and click on save. So now we're moving to inbox. As I told you earlier, if your users message you, this is where it will pop up, and also it will also show, it will display in your Gmail or email rather. So setting, I see here we have main dashboard, general, password, means menu settings, statistics, social link, and so on. So I will start with this website information. If you want to change your website name, you can still change it here. So your address here, the other time when I show you in our website, after I display the area for address was showing, can you provide your address here. So if you have address, for example, let me put 112, okay, let me put like this, 111 Agoba Street, right? So my phone number is even here already, okay, so I'm going to erase it and put 234 just put it for example. So let's put for example your opening hour. You set your opening hour, the time you open and the time you close. So this is your manager ID. Without this manager ID, I log in directly from Samora bots. So that is why I'm not required to input this manager ID. So if you wanted to log in, okay, let's assume now you use systems, you use your laptop for this training to create this app, and you wanted to log in your manager ID on your phone. So you immediately click on this manager.sabos.com. It will request for this manager ID, so you have to put your manager ID so that your cPanel will display. So without this manager ID, you won't have access to your cPanel if you are trying to log in via browser. So you can see home page setting is white. If you want to change the color, you can change it. So we have some colors here already been set. If you don't need it, you click on more. So you mix your color. You can mix your color. You can mix any color you want to mix, and you click on set. So you can see footer, page color. So let's just saturate some colors. Let's saturate some colors. You click on set. So footer tab color, if you want to leave it any color, you can leave it. So body page, home page body skin, want it to be light, put it. Want it to be dark, you put it, but let it to be light. So slider image size, is it cover or fit? You can see it like that. So let's just leave it as cover. So logo on website, this logo on website simply means if you want your website, okay, for example, my personal website which I use for business, actually VTU business. So instead of it displaying text, I choose logo. So logo display on my website instead of text. So if you choose text, it will display text. If you choose logo, it will display logo. So let me show you example of it. So you can see this one is displaying text. You can also see my website here, it's displaying logo. You can see it. Let me open it for you guys. So I actually use these tools also to build it. It's not, I don't want to log into it. So it's displaying logo instead of text. So you leave it as text and so on like that. So if you are done, you click on save. So social link, like if you want your users, which is here, let me show you before I explain that what that is useful. You can see here we have Twitter, Facebook, Google, and Instagram. So basically this is what they are for. So to set those one, you can see Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so on like that. So your Twitter link, you put your Twitter link, your Facebook link, you put it, your WhatsApp number, and so on. So if you are done, you click on save. And if you don't have those information, you can also leave it blank. So that's just that about that. So now we'll be going back to the other settings which we are not yet done with, which are those ones. So now, since we know how we can set all these about us, fast products, site photo, blog, inbox, and so on. So now you can see our website is showing, sorry for the interruption. So our website is showing sabos.com. So if you want it to display nacoil.com or .ng or .whatever, so you click on this last, remove sabos from your link. So we click on it, you can see. So this where we have to make subscription to remove it. So instead of going for this one, we'll be paying 1,000 a year. So it's better we go for the one of this 25k. So if you want, like the website I'm building for somebody now. So I collected 30,000 just because I know the person. So I collected 30,000. I'm building this one. This one you don't need to pay. You don't need to pay. You have access to it. So that is it. If you don't pay, you won't able to remove that Samora from the website link. So we have to remove Sabot if you wanted to remove it from your website. So now earlier I told you guys, okay, now we are not yet done. It means no logo, so we haven't set your logo yet. So to set logo is here. You can see, okay, logo. Okay, you can see here, second to the third to the last one. So you can see you need to upload your website logo. So you have, if you upload the logo, it will display here. So now I want to show you guys how you can add some other features to your website. So this is how you click on this positive sign. Click on the positive. So the one already in our website is those are they're 14. Those are already they're already there 14. So you can see. Okay. So if you wanted to add advert manager, you want to be advertising on your platform, you add it to it. So you'll be able to upload and display advert on your website. So brand logo, you can do more, of it. So that's it. But mind you, if you click on this VTU website, it will change your website from online store to VTU website. So before you click on any other website, please make sure you read those texts below it. Make sure you read those texts below it. So now we'll move to, okay, don't let me rush you guys or just mix everything up. So now I'm done with everything from this part. Now let's go to our portal. That is where you'll be able to see the amount of users you have, the total transaction, just everything like that. You'll be able to see it. So this one is just user. Just choose anything, put anyone and leave it. So you can see website visits. So building this website, 7 people had visited my website. You can see here. So total customer, if you click on it, you'll be able to see your total customer. So right now we don't have any customer, so there's no customer here. So move back to dashboard. You can see item in chat. There's no item in your cart. There's no item there. So total order, there's no order. So if product, we only have 2 products. If you add like 100 products, so the place for this product, instead of it to be displaying 2, it will display the amount of products you have on your website. So item in cart, if your users add like 5 or 2 items to their carts, it will show here. And total order, the amount of order you have is maybe within a day or a month, it will display it here. So you can see a store setup. This is store setup. We have menu name, so which is product. Currency, the currency is naira, so we leave it as N. Defeat shipping fee. So if you want, as I said earlier, if you want shipping to be available for your product, okay, maybe for example you sold a book to me, so you have to deliver it to me. So okay, if it is free, if the shipping is free, then you leave it at 0. If it is not free, you set price. Okay, let's just say shipping is 1,000, so leave it as 1,000. User address, so before, if it is your user address is required, click on require. If it is not required, click on not required. But there is no way you want to deliver a goods without knowing the user address, so you have to click require. Required. So you can see select payment opinion. Is it pay on delivery? You can see pay on delivery, online payment, bank transfer. This pay on delivery simply means is when you deliver that you will pay or you make online payments or bank transfer, anyone you choose, you click it. So if it is online payment, if it is bank transfer, you have to put your details, your bank details, you put it here. So as you start those button text buy now and others, so you click on save. Can see say successfully. So we move to the new order. So this new order, that is where you're able to see, for example, yesterday you have 5 orders, so that yesterday order won't be added to the order you have today. So the order for today now will display here. The order for today only will display here. So today you'll be able to see, okay, how many order you have for today, so you can deliver. If it is one you have to deliver, you deliver it. If it is not the one you have to deliver, that is the customer that will come for it, you also see it here. So products, as you know, all the products you have will be listed here. So okay, it's taking me back. Let's go back to our portal. So we have shipping fees. Well, I think we have said that earlier. Shipping fees. So is it? You select the state or the state. Okay, you are required to set only one. So you are required to set only one state. Or rather, let's just say your area. In the area where you stay, you set it. The fees for delivery. Okay, let's do like this. This shipping fee now. For example, your store is in Kwara State, so you only deliver to Kwara State only. So you choose the area which you deliver to among this. So let me pick Kwara State for example. Kwara, okay. Select local government. So Moro is close to us, so let's click on Moro. We say okay, the shipping fees is 1,000 to ship tomorrow. How many days will that goods be delivered? Okay, maybe you may set 2 days before the buyer will receive the product. Let's say 3 days. 3 days. Okay, save shipping. So we save the shipping. Data is saved successfully. You can see. So if you also want to add more again, you can't add all the old 36 data at once. So you have to be adding it one. So you see again, you select, let's say Abia, local government, North, Haba North. So you choose the fee, let's say 500. So how many days? Let's just say 2 days. There you save. You save. That is also done. So that's how you continue doing it. You add all those states or any area you know you can deliver to. So admin setting, see this area. So all those things there, the only thing you can edit now here is the name, the user, enable user sign up, you can still edit it, and the contact number. But this select website type here, you can't edit it anymore. You have already selected it, so you can't edit it again. So now we are almost done with this. I'll show you all these add swans panels. So if you wanted to add other panels to your website, you can click on it. So I've already showed you guys this one. So now let's go back to our website and see all those settings we have made. Maybe it reflects or not. So let's go back home. Coming. I say okay, bye now. So we have to set all those things before it can work. coming. So now I'm using desktop. Okay. So add to chat. So definitely because we haven't set anything yet, that's why it's displaying like this. So if you set all those details correctly, it will display here. So that's just all about that on this website creating. So we are done about it. You can add your image to it whenever you are ready, and also edit the content below it. So I think we are done. So that is all about it. So I'm done with the class. So now if you wanted to create the same way you created this, if you understand this one clearly, it will be easy for you to also to create any other website. It's just simple using SamoraBot. So I will share you guys the app to use, and there's also something we called app tester. So in building app, that is when you use the app tester. So I have a video on my YouTube page that explains how you can develop app using this SamoraBot. So if you wanted to create any app, you can just watch that video and get some idea on how you can create it. So that is all about this class for now.